to, and for today, we're gonna tackle about statistics of diet and health. So, first of all, what is statistics? Sean, kindly.
Statistics is the measurement of something like this.
So, statistic in basic words, that's what Sean said, okay? So, let's move on. What is diet? Diet is the food or the drink regularly provided or consumed by a person. So, diet po, this is the food and drinks that we consume daily or regularly na po. So, that's the common food and drinks that we intake in our body.
And diet is also the schedule of our food intake.
Yes, that is it.
Like this is the schedule of our food intake.
So, let's move on to health. What is health? Sean, kindly read.
Health is the overall condition of someone's body or mind.
Yes, so when we say health, it means or it represents the total health of a person or the total condition of the person.
Yes.
So yeah, that is the condition of someone's body or mind. So if we classify someone physically healthy, mentally healthy,
Socially healthy,
yeah.
spiritually healthy.
yes, through what do you call that? Through checkups. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to how will we apply diet and health in statistics. Okay. So, Sean, proceed.
Okay, we have unhealthy versus healthy. And this is our graph for statistics.
Yes. So, what do this graph represent?
It represents statistics.
What kind of statistics? Okay, so let's proceed. How will we apply diet and health into statistics?
Nakatulong po ba ang diet sa health ng isang tao?
Oo naman. Hindi. Kaya ako na napatigil is because the term itself, yung diet, it's a positive word eh. Diba? It's a positive word. Meron nga lang healthy diet at merong mga na-over diet, merong maganda. Nakakatulong naman kung healthy diet yan.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayun lang yun.
Yes.
Pag sinabing diet kasi, sabi diet ako eh. Lahat naman, diet is the scheduled meal. So ngayon, kung ang schedule ng meal ko ngayon ay crispy pata, hindi yan yung healthy diet. So dapat may adjective. Lahat yan kinakain, lahat ng set of food na that we eat. Diet ang tawag yan. Lahat ng ini-intake natin. Dapat healthy diet. Eh syempre, healthy diet eh. Diba? Hindi mo, pwede nyo na i-edit yun. Ikaw na makala ka tumigil ka na. Positive thing na yun. Kaya talagang positive siya, positive.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so let's proceed. How will we apply diet and health into statistics and probability? So we have here this
Pie graph.
pie graph as a representation of statistics. So this represent the shaded part is 10%, while the unshaded part is 90%. So according to this, according to statistics from HHS.gov, 90% of Americans
More sodium, they take more sodium than the 10%.
yeah, they take more sodium in a healthy diet. So the maximum sodium intake per person is only 1.5 milligrams of sodium. So if you intake more than that, we cannot classify that as healthy.
It is now unhealthy.
Yes, and then this three child represents probability. So according to statistics from HHS government, 1 out of 3 children is physically active. So only 1 out of 3 children. Okay, it's more better that all 3 of them is physically active. You know why? Because technology nowadays is so advanced that children use it uses it as an entertainment rather than being physically active outside their homes. So, Sean, can you give one example of games, video games, or consoles like that?
The one example is playing computer like Dota.
Yeah.
And yes.
Okay. So that example, Dota, Mobile Legends, that are the examples on why only 1 out of 3 children is physically active. So let's proceed here at the diet. We have healthy diet and unhealthy diet. So Sean, can you differentiate the two?
It is self-explanatory from the word itself. Healthy means it is good for our health,
Yes.
and unhealthy is not good for our health.
Okay, so healthy diet, as a person, we have different levels or intake that we should.
Recommended intake
Yeah.
per the age.
Yes, we have different kinds of that.
It is called RMI.
Yes, thank you very much for that information. So, healthy, it is positive, while unhealthy, it is negative. So, how do we classify a person being healthy or have a healthy diet? If we said healthy, they or he or she follows the food pyramid. Okay. Okay, so we have the glow foods down here. We have the glow foods and then the grow foods. So the grow foods is responsibility for body building.
Example, protein-rich foods.
Yes, like fish, meats, chicken. So we need that so that we can build muscles. We have a stronger body. Yeah. And then next is the glow foods, which is responsible for body regulating.
For example, vitamins and minerals.
Yes. What do you mean by body regulating? It keeps the normal process of the body. So we need that so that our blood flow is normal and all the body systems is functioning normal as well. And then lastly is the go foods. So why do we need go foods? It is used for
Providing energy in our body.
energy.
For example, carbohydrates-rich food like rice.
Okay, so let's define energy. Energy is the ability to do work. So that explains why go foods, we should intake go foods mostly or more than the glow and grow foods because we need energy to function in a daily basis. So yeah. Okay, so this food pyramid represents, or if you follow this, you will be classified as healthy or you have a healthy diet. Okay, so that is it for healthy diet. So let's move on to unhealthy diet. We have two glasses here. We have the normal glass filled with water, and then we have an overflowing glass. Okay, so Sean, what do you think represents each glass?
It represents the water level.
Yeah, it represents the water level and it also represents, in other terms, the healthy and unhealthy diet. So, Sean, what here is the unhealthy diet?
The overflowing glass.
Very good. What that? So, the overflowing glass of water is the unhealthy diet. Why? Because
You intake more than you needed.
yeah,
Yes.
your intake is more than enough that you needed. So we have a saying that for what do you call that?
Lahat ng sobrang nakakasama.
Yes, all of the excess amounts are not needed or not necessary, and it leads to difficulty or other terms diseases like that or illnesses that may lead to disease. Yeah. Okay. So this normal glass filled with water is the healthy. Why? Because it is balanced. It is enough for the glass itself or for you. And then the overflowing, we have excess here. Okay. So like for example, 90% of Americans, like the statistics a while ago, 90% of the Americans eat more sodium. More sodium means it is not classified as healthy diet because you intake more, and the excess sodium, it may lead to kidney or liver problems. So, yeah.
Because the kidney will filter out this excess. Yes, this is excess sodium.
Okay, so that is it for our video. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something. I am Joshua Livo and this is...
I'm Sean A. Maureen,
Okay.
and we are the group 2 in math.
Thank you very much and we'll see you all later. Bye!